In this demo, we'll show you how UiPath Autopilot can simplify invoice processing. Normally, finance teams spend a lot of time manually checking invoices against purchase orders, which is slow and prone to errors. With Autopilot, we can automate this by simply uploading an invoice PDF. Autopilot will read it, compare it against the purchase order list, and guide us on what to do next. To get started with Autopilot, we need to provide it with a set of instructions. We call this a prompt. Think of it as giving Autopilot the playbook for how to handle invoices. For this demo, we've already created a starting prompt under the Finance Department, category Invoice Processing. This means your team doesn't need to write the instructions from scratch every time. They simply upload the invoice, and Autopilot already knows what to extract, how to compare it to the PO list, and what decisions to make. Now, let's look at what this prompt is actually doing behind the scenes. First, the user simply uploads an invoice PDF, no coding, no manual entry required. Autopilot then extracts all the key information for us: vendor name, PO number, invoice number, line items, tax amount, shipping cost, and the total payable. Next, Autopilot compares this against the PO list. For today's demo, that PO list is an Excel file. But in a real-world deployment, we can build an automation that connects directly to your ERP system, such as SAP or Oracle. From there, 3 scenarios can happen. In the first scenario, when the invoice matches the PO list, Autopilot prompts us to confirm whether we'd like to run the invoice match automation, which then uploads the invoice seamlessly into the internal system. In the second scenario, there are discrepancies between the invoice and the PO list, for example, mismatched totals or differences in line item quantities. In this case, Autopilot clearly highlights the variances for review. In the last scenario, the PO number doesn't exist. Autopilot will then tell us directly that the PO number is not in the list. Finally, after each invoice, Autopilot even offers to create a summary table so finance team can review all the processed invoices. Before we begin, let me show you the PO list and PO line items file. We've given this file to Autopilot as a reference, so it knows what to check against when we upload an invoice. Now let's start with the first scenario, where the invoice perfectly matches the PO list. First, the user uploads the invoice PDF. Autopilot immediately reads the document and extracts all the key information such as the vendor name, PO number, invoice number, line items, tax, shipping, and the total payable. Here you can see, on the left is the original invoice PDF, and on the right is Autopilot's extraction. The data matches exactly, showing that Autopilot has correctly extracted the data from the invoice. The line items match perfectly as well. As we can see here, Autopilot confirms that the information in the invoice fully matches the PO list. Let's take a look at the invoice and the PO list side by side. The amounts all match perfectly. The line items all match perfectly as well. Since Autopilot confirmed a match, it asked if we want to run the invoice match automation. We'll go ahead and click Run. Now the automation runs in the background and uploads the invoice into the internal system. Autopilot then confirms, invoice successfully uploaded to internal system, and that completes scenario 1. Now let's move on to the second scenario, when the invoice does not match the PO list. Again, the user simply uploads another invoice PDF. Autopilot extracts the data, but this time it notices discrepancies between the invoice and the PO list. Instead of moving forward, it highlights the differences for us. Here on the screen, you can see the extracted data next to the original invoice. The vendor name, PO number, shipping, tax and total amounts were all read correctly. But when we compare it with the PO list in Excel, notice the differences. For example, the total amount here in the invoice is lower than the PO. And the line item quantity doesn't match. Autopilot clearly lists out these mismatches so finance staff can immediately see where the problem is. Importantly, it does not proceed with the invoice match automation, ensuring incorrect data never enters the system. Finally, let's look at the third scenario, when the invoice refers to a PO number that doesn't exist in the PO list. Just like before, the user uploads another invoice PDF. Autopilot extracts all the details from the document, vendor name, PO number, invoice number, line items, totals, but this time it cannot find the PO number in the PO list we provided. As you can see, when we put the invoice and the PO list side by side, the PO number from the invoice simply isn't there. Because of this, Autopilot clearly returns PO number not found in the PO list. And just like in the mismatch case, it does not run the invoice match automation, protecting the system from invalid data. After processing all 3 invoices, Autopilot also gives us the option to generate a summary table. This table consolidates the results of every invoice processed in the current session, showing the invoice number, PO number, total payable, and whether it was a match, mismatch, or not found, along with any discrepancies. And the best part? This summary is in a simple, copy and paste table format. So if the finance team wants to take it into Excel for reporting, tracking, or sharing, they can do that instantly, no additional setup needed. With this demo, we've seen how Autopilot, powered by a simple starting prompt, can transform invoice processing. Users only upload invoices. Autopilot extracts, validates, and compares against the PO list. It either runs the automation, flags mismatches, or reports missing POs. And finally, it provides a ready-to-use summary table for reporting. In short, Autopilot takes what is usually a tedious, error-prone process and makes it faster, more accurate, and effortless for your finance team. This is how AI and automation work hand in hand to deliver real business value. For more information on how we can help you implement automation in your organization, please visit our website at www.cybiant.com.